Next we shall discuss how to construct the modified form of a square thread that is called as Acme thread. Now here the thickness of crest and root are 0.3707p. Now let us assume the pitch value as 50 mm, which is going to calculate it as 18.53 millimeter mm. Now it is always flat and the included angle between the two consecutive threads is always 29 degree. Now let me show you how to construct the seam. Now using a line command with 0.5 mm as a thickness, let me draw a line like this and an inclined line, a flat line and an inclined line like this. Now using a line command with 0.13 mm as a thickness, now let us draw a construction line like this. Using symmetrical relationship, select the construction line as the axis and these two lines must be symmetrical to that line. Now using equal command, let me say this line must be equal to this length. Now using a command called the distance between, using a command called smart dimensions or distance between, give the distance as 18.53 millimeter, 18.535 millimeter. Now automatically this will also become 18.535. Why? Because we have given those two lines must be equal, and the distance between these two lines is nothing but the height, which is given as 25 millimeter. Now the distance between the consecutive thread is pitch, that is nothing but 50 millimeter. Now the included angle is nothing but this angle, which is supposed to be 29 degree. Now we have constructed only one thread. Now let me select the complete thing, and using a move command, let us place it one after the other to get minimum 3 number of threads. Now we have constructed 4 threads. Now let me draw a simple line like this, which is of thickness 0.5 millimeter. Now using a command called curve, let us form the solid portion. Now after forming a solid portion, this thickness of curve should be 0.5 millimeter. Now using a command called fill with 45 degree and 3 mm, let me complete the hatching, which is going to complete the another thread profile that is called as Acme thread, which is nothing but a modified form of square thread.